What's up, everybody, and welcome back to another math puzzle. In this one, the question is as follows. Solve the final equation. So you got to figure out all the values of all these different shapes to solve this guy down here. Hit that pause button and see if you can figure it out. When you're ready, hit play, and I'll give you the explanation. So first of all, let's figure out what the values of these triangles are. What times what is 8? That would be 2, right? So 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. That means all the red triangles, therefore, are 2. Okay, next we do parentheses first. We do 2 plus 2, which is 4. What minus 4 is 9? Okay, that would be 13. So my blue is going to be 13. So we got 13 here and so on. Now we get something divided by 13 plus 2 is going to be 15. Okay, so what divided by 13 is going to give me 13? Because we're going to do 13 plus 2 is 15. That's going to be 169, right? 169 divided by 13 is 13 plus 2 gives me 15, means the green is 169. Now let's solve this final equation. 2 times 13 is 26 plus 169. Now if we add these together, what do we get? 6 plus 9 is 15, carry the 1. 1 plus 6 plus 2 is 9. And then we got a 1 at the end, which means 195 for the win. That's how you do it. Done. I hope you guys enjoyed this math puzzle, and if you did, please click that like button. If you want to see more math puzzles on the regular, make sure to click subscribe. Thank you guys so much for joining. See you in the next video. Take it easy.